How to delete TikTok shop account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in TikTok Seller Center Support. As you do so, you will see Contact Us TikTok Seller Center by TikTok Help. Then tap on three dot icon and check the box that says desktop site. You will see a page like this and zoom into your screen. Select your region, select your topic, here tap on account, then tap on seller account. Then choose your issue. And at this box, provide your detail of what are you having problem with and also mention your email address that is associated with your TikTok seller account. Type in the name of your company. Once done, tap on to submit. And just like so, all you have to do is wait for your TikTok email to reach you back with a customized solution. And this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.